Your brain is rotting, and you're letting it happen. Listen, I need you to be honest with yourself for the next 2 minutes. When's the last time you sat through an entire movie without checking your phone? When's the last time you read a book for more than 5 minutes? When's the last time you had a real conversation without your mind drifting to what you're going to scroll next? You can't, can you? And that's not your fault, it's by design. TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, they've hacked your dopamine system. Every swipe gives you a tiny hit. Every video is faster, louder, more intense than the last. Your brain is being rewired to crave constant stimulation, and anything slower than 15 seconds feels like torture. Here's what's actually happening inside your head. Your attention span is shrinking. Studies show the average person now has an attention span of 8 seconds. 8. That's less than a goldfish. You literally can't focus anymore. Your memory is failing. When was the last time you remembered a phone number, a birthday, what you ate for lunch 3 days ago? You can't, because your brain stopped storing information. Why would it? Everything's just a Google search away. Your creativity is dying. When's the last time you were bored? Actually bored, with nothing to do, forced to think? Boredom is where ideas are born. But you kill every moment of potential boredom with your phone. You're consuming, never creating. And here's the scariest part. You're becoming addicted to feeling nothing. Real life feels boring now. Conversations feel slow. Books feel tedious. Even TV shows feel too long. You need that constant hit of novelty. And without it, you're anxious, restless, empty. But here's the good news. Your brain is plastic. It can heal. But only if you act now. Step 1. Delete one app. Just one. The one you mindlessly open 50 times a day. For me, it was TikTok. For you, it might be Instagram or Twitter. Delete it for just 7 days and see what happens. Step 2. Replace scrolling with something real. Every time you reach for your phone, do 10 push-ups instead. Read 1 page of a book. Draw something. Anything that makes you create instead of consume. Step 3. Embrace boredom. Stand in line without your phone. Sit in silence for 5 minutes. Let your mind wander. This is where your brain rebuilds itself. This is where you remember who you are. And step 4. Protect your mornings. The first hour after you wake up sets your entire day. If you start with scrolling, you're training your brain to crave junk. Start with something intentional. Journaling, reading, exercise. Win the morning, win the day. Look, I know this sounds extreme, but your brain is the most valuable thing you own. It's your creativity, your memory, your ability to focus, to dream, to connect with people you love. And you're trading it for 15-second videos of strangers doing dances you'll forget in 10 minutes. The algorithms want you numb, distracted, and consuming. They profit from your attention, but your attention is your life. Where your attention goes, your life follows. So choose. Keep scrolling and watch your brain turn to mush. Or take it back. Reclaim your focus. Rebuild your mind. Save yourself. The brain rot stops when you decide it stops. And that decision, it has to happen today.